This is a video of the Chamberlain Whisper Drive garage door opener. I got it through Amazon. It was about 220 bucks. I had it installed by a pro for just over $100. It's really quiet and it works a little bit slower than my old Craftsman one, but it's very quiet. Here's the remote. It has the temperature, it has a built-in battery backup, so if your power goes out, you can still get your garage door opener without yanking the pull lever and lifting it up yourself. And here's an example of how quiet it is and how quickly it opens your door. And closing it. You can also get a Wi-Fi tool that's built into the opener. You can get it set up to your phone, see if the garage door is open or closed if you're away, and close it remotely. So that's the little example of the Chamberlain Whisper Drive. Thanks.